First things first, I need a clean
I hate
space.
a mess.
Whatever's on this rack, we take it off the rack, take it to the sink, and we get it clean. This rack can be full from head to toe, even the floor. I'm telling you, it's best to get this stuff done as soon as it comes.
This process lasts all night until the night ends. I'm like, you have my money. Hey, bitch, move, bro. You gave me my $10 all close and shit. Cup. Ice. And since we're closing, gotta find the sweet tea. All these are unsweet, bro. For real. Is there any more sweet tea? Oh my god. No more sweet tea. I'm gonna cry. Is that? I'm sorry.
I just dropped my ice.
Please. Thank you. So awesome. I appreciate it. For those though. Just stack it all on here for now.
As you can see, I'm putting it all in the cart, but that's because I'm pregnant, 7 months pregnant with Meraki. As you can see now, I'm taking it and putting it one by one. That's what we would normally do. But the cart is there to get the job done faster. And, well, some of that stuff be heavy. And I don't want to drop anything, so.
This stuff.
Yeah.
Move, get up the way.
And starting out, we're going to put this over here. Well. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has mistakes.
This can slide right through. That's all done. Back to the dish. It ain't right how you're using those songs.
I didn't even turn this off, but that's so messed up. Swear she cleaned something. Just believe. I got it. Sorry.
Look for it. It's probably right in front of you. You swear. I appreciate it.